Hey everyone, welcome back to TechWise. Today, we're diving into something that's got the AI world going absolutely bananas. Literally, it's called Nano Banana AI, Google's latest secret weapon in image editing. If you've been scrolling through social media, you might have seen this viral tool popping up everywhere. Let's break it down and see why it's a game changer. First off, what is Nano Banana? It's an advanced AI image editor powered by Google DeepMind, designed to let you edit photos using simple natural language prompts. Imagine telling your phone, swap the background to a sunny beach, and boom, it happens without messing up the main subject. Google confirmed they're behind this anonymous tool that's been teasing us online. It's now rolling out in the Gemini app, making image manipulation easier than ever. The magic lies in its consistency. Unlike some other editors that distort faces or objects when you make changes, Nano Banana keeps everything looking natural. Want to change angles, adjust colors, or even add elements? Just type it out. For example, take a portrait photo and say, make it a cyberpunk cityscape at night. The AI handles it seamlessly, preserving identities and details. How does it stack up against the big players? In tests, it outperforms tools like Flux Context for consistent edits. Compared to Midjourney or ChatGPT's DALL-E, Nano Banana shines in precise modifications rather than pure generation from scratch. A YouTube showdown showed it holding its own in both editing and creation tasks. It's not just hype. Users on Reddit are already buzzing about its rollout in Gemini. Getting started is simple. If you're a Gemini user, head to the app and look for the image editing features. Upload a photo or generate one. Then describe your edits in plain English. It's free to try in the web version too, though premium might unlock more. Pro tip: start with specific prompts for the best results, like add a red hat to the person without changing their expression. Why does this matter? Nano Banana pushes AI towards more intuitive creativity. It's not just for pros. Artists, marketers, or even casual users can remix images on the fly. Google says it's a major upgrade for Gemini, hinting at even bigger things ahead in AI visuals. So, is Nano Banana the top banana in AI editing? From what we've seen, it's peeling away the competition. If you try it, drop your edits in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more AI scoops. Thanks for watching. See you next time.